Hello guys, PS3 Fanboy 16 here, and the reason I have these handcuffs in my hand is my brother apparently did a handcuff video, which apparently has like 39 views, apparently, which amazes me. But he apparently also got a comment on how to use handcuffs. How anyone is so stupid as to not understand this is beyond me, but I'm going to educate people who do not know how to use handcuffs. Okay, so basically, the way you use handcuffs is, come here, you unhinge this hand, then you apply it to hand, and there you go. Then you do the same thing to the other hand, and there you go. You now know how to use handcuffs. Now, I don't think most handcuffs have these little, I'm going to call them switches that allow you to unhook it, but I might be wrong.
They don't.
They don't. But as you can see, well, you probably can't see, but there was a little handle thing right here, and if I push that, it unhinges. Now, apparently my sister bought these for my niece. Why a 2-year-old would need a handcuff is beyond me, but my 2-year-old niece has handcuffs. So I guess when, she shoplifts, she could save the cops a little bit of trouble. She's got her own handcuffs. Cops don't need to be handcuffing her. She's got her own. So, yeah. That's how you use handcuffs. For anyone that doesn't know.